Interesting facts about India that might surprise. Number 1. Cows are considered sacred. Cows are protected by their own set of rules in the constitution, making killing a cow a crime. Even on crowded city streets, cows have the liberty to roam where they please without fear of being harassed by humans. Number 2. India is the wettest inhabited place on the earth. Meghalaya village has won the Guinness World Record title for the wettest place on the earth, with about 11,873 milliliters of rain annually. India has over 300,000 mosques and over 2 million Hindu temples. Yeah, right. Get ready to be awed and amazed by all this stunning architecture India has to offer. About 15% of India's population is Muslim. The mosques across the country range from small village buildings to immense famous ones like the Makkah Masjid in Hyderabad and Jama Masjid in New Delhi. The same can be said about India's Hindu temples, which surpass 2 million to serve the 79.8% of India's Hindu population. Just the holy city of Varanasi has over 23,000 temples. It is safe to say India is the land of temples. Chenab Bridge is the highest rail bridge in the world. Not all of India's famous monuments are religious. The jaw-dropping bridge spanning the Chenab River in Jammu is 1,178 feet above the water. If you are afraid of heights, you might want to skip this one, but I suggest you must. Rajasthan has a temple of rats. The animal wonders of India continue. Although rats might not be the first species you think of to worship, there is a temple in Rajasthan dedicated to rats. Thousands of rats call the temple home, making it one of the country's most unique attractions. Number 6. You can drive on the world's highest motorable road. At over 19,300 feet, the Ladakh Road is the highest motorable road in the world. Make sure you pack a warm jacket on before embarking on this particular adventure. Home of a mysterious skeleton lake located in the Himalayas at about 16,470 feet, the glacial lake Rupkund has become famous for the human skeletons found in the lake and surrounding areas. It is thought that the skeletons are the remains of people from the 9th century who perished during the severe hailstorm. Number 8. The popular game Snakes and Ladders originated in India, now sold across the world, sometimes adapted to Chutes and Ladders. This board game traces its roots back to India, was first created to teach morals and lessons about karma in a way that young children would understand and remember. India was the first country to mine diamonds. From the 4th century BC for 1000 years, India was the only source of diamonds in the world. The original diamonds were found in the Krishna River Delta. Hinduism is the oldest religion in the world and it's not a true polytheism. With document dating back as early as 5500 BCE, Hinduism is considered oldest religion in the world. There is not a known founder of Hinduism and no one cares to know who started Hinduism, since Hinduism is a way of life. Currently, Hinduism is the third largest religion in the world, serving more than 1 billion people. India has 22 recognized languages. The numerous languages spoken across India include Santali, Kashmiri, Bengali, Tamil and Urdu. However, the official languages are English and Hindi. India also has the world's second largest population of English speakers. Ranked the second most populous country in the world, second only to China, India has roughly 1.37 billion people and the number keep climbing. Most Indians eat with only their fingers. It's customary in India to eat food with your finger, including rice, sauces, meats and vegetables, etc. A village with no locks and doors may be the safest on the earth. The village of sunny Singnapur is famous for not having a door or lock on a single house. Beyond that, there has not been a recording of a criminal act for almost 400 years. It's amazing, na? The world's largest sundial is located in India. The town of Jaipur is home to the largest sundial in the world, which is a towering 27 meters, that means 90 feet tall. The sundial has been listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site.